go to the gate.
What the heck is this guy doing? Kermit, the trampoline's over there.
You're over there.
No,
I
I'm
got
not.
drip.
Ah!
Oh my gosh, look at those birds.
I'm gonna eat
I got
them.
my AK-47, I'm gonna shoot them all. I got drip.
Like yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna bring it back. I'm gonna jump from the treehouse. But God, I'm in the treehouse. I'm gonna jump off. You ready? Guys, I'm going. One like equals one fair for me. Guys, I literally just jumped down there. Leaves!
Guys,
I love leaves.
I'm gonna get off of the ground. That's where
Stop bouncing on me.
I'm gonna poop to, oh, there's poop somewhere.
Don't worry, guys, I did not eat it. God, I love leaves. You don't eat leaves. If you don't like leaves, don't be mean to me. Run, go out! God, gotcha. What the heck are you doing? Stop bouncing on balls. You're bouncing on balls. Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. Bye.